the channel. Y'all, I've tried to do this 3 times already, but for some reason something keeps going wrong. But anyways, welcome to another video, you guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is Chanina, and welcome to All Things Chanina. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning, you guys. I'm here all the time. You guys know I work from home. If you're not new to the channel, then you know I work from home. If you're new, welcome. I'm a work from home mom. So I spend most of my time in the house, and because I'm here every day, all day, I notice little things around the house. I notice when something isn't clean. I notice when something's out of place. I just notice the strangest things. So today's Memorial Day, you guys. Happy Memorial Day. I hope you guys are being safe, especially with the fireworks and everything. If you live in apartment buildings, please be careful with your fireworks. Girl, last night, they were out here blowing it up, okay? You would have thought we was at a fireworks show the way they was popping off them firecrackers last night. And then you could tell they were the big ones, girl, because you could hear the little rumble and feel the little rumble, you know. Anyways, y'all, so yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you are not subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? It's free, okay? Just help your girl out. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. My goal, I have not reached 5,000 subscribers yet, y'all. I've been doing videos for a while, but it just seems like it's just taking me forever to reach that milestone. So y'all, help me out. Your girl wants to reach at least 5,000 subscribers by the end of 22. I'm pushing for more than that, but you know, whatever is meant for me will be meant for me. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be cleaning with today. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be cleaning with today. Of course, some Comet, which you guys can buy this at the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree is now $1.25, so you might want to check like your Kroger or your Walmart. They may still carry Comet for like 98 cents. My Kroger did go up about a couple of cents or so, so it's no longer 98 cents, but you guys may actually get lucky and find it for a little bit under $1.25. But if you just need something for right now, you don't feel like going all over town for some Comet, girl, they sell them at Dollar Tree. So I got the lavender and bleach one. They also sell this at the Dollar Tree too. I'm trying to use this up, y'all, like for real, okay? So we're going to be using this. This is the Awesome Bathroom Cleaner, and it smells really good. It's not antibacterial though, so after I'm done using that in the bathroom, I am going to go behind it with these Lysol disinfecting wipes. I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator today. So we've got that. This Lysol I'm gonna use for the toilets. This Bubbin' Scrubbles, or Scrubbing Bubbles, I got from the Dollar Tree. So what I did was, it doesn't come with a nozzle, a spray nozzle. So I took a spray nozzle from another bottle that I had that was almost empty. I forgot what was in it, but I took that nozzle out of that and put it in here. But yeah, y'all, if y'all can catch these at your Dollar Tree. Now, I would recommend getting this at Dollar Tree because the refill bottles, I'm not even sure how much they normally are, but I'm pretty sure they're not $1.25, okay? So if you guys spot these at your local Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick them up. So I'm going to use that for both bathrooms. Of course, I got my bleach, y'all. I got to clean with bleach. I got this scrub free that I'm trying to use up. This came from the Dollar Tree as well. I don't really care for it that much. It does leave behind streaks and stuff, so I might actually go behind it with some other Dollar Tree Windex that I have. And I think that's it. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna mop floors and all that today. So y'all, enough talking. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video.
Just lose control, just lose control. It'll be alright, this I know, deep in my soul. So just lose control. I'm all in, just to keep from falling. I don't wanna lose my mind, but I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I might be wrong. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control. Just lose control. It'll be alright, this I know, deep in my soul. So just lose control. I just wanna live and let go.
Xoxo.
They wanna know, I'll tell it to 'em. What keeps me going? What gets me through? No other love has seen me like this. Come top me up, refill my cup. With a kiss, with a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. With a kiss, with a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. Only you. With a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. With a kiss, with a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. Baby. Excellent me, excellent me. Excellent me, excellent me. They wanna know, I'll tell it to 'em. What keeps me going? What gets me through? No other love has seen me like this. Come top me up, refill my cup. With a kiss, with a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. With a kiss, with a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. Only you. With a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. With a kiss, with a hug, with a kiss, with a hug. Baby. Excellent me, excellent me. Excellent me, excellent me. They wanna know why I'm optimistic. I don't rely on my own understanding. They wanna feel alive, even touch the sky. You can't be free to fly.